Welcome to the 2023 first annual and probably last ever Toyota Blizzard Bash. These are our teams. We have 4 Toyota Blizzards on the property. Maybe the first time and only time that's ever going to happen anywhere. And these guys are going to take these Blizzards out in a challenging off-road course in a mission to find one of 4 wrapped Christmas presents. Team, are you ready for the Blizzard Bash? Yeah! All right, here are the rules. We're gonna have a shotgun start. Try not to dent these vehicles, they don't belong to me. Not all of them anyway. So we're gonna have a shotgun start. Then it's a race. All the presents are visible from a road on the property. So you don't need to go too far off-road. You don't need to hike or climb. You'll see it from the car. Once you receive your present, you find a present, you only get one, then you get to come back here. The last one to find their present is the Blizzard loser. Who's gonna be the Blizzard loser? Oh! All right, so what we have with us today, all right-hand drive Toyota trucks. They happen to be the biggest vehicle Toyota's ever built, the Toyota Mega Cruiser and film crew, Kevin and Kim Tanner. Woo! And the smallest vehicles, four-wheel drive vehicles that Toyota has ever built, the Toyota Blizzard. We have over here 2 LD10 Blizzards, both from the 80s, 81, the white one, and 82, the red one. And over here, 2 LD20 Blizzards from the mid 80s, 84, I think, who knows. Anyway, the only one here has a turbo. That's where my money is on the winner right there. The Turbo Blizzard. Who's driving the Turbo Blizzard? And a good driver. Oh!
That was a lot of booze.
Although, Hayden and Hayden, familiar with the property. These guys, it's their home turf here in probably the slowest, most worn out Blizzard, the LD10.
Are you guys pretty confident?
Oh yeah, we're gonna win.
Who's the driver in this one?
Let's go.
I'm rooting for this team.
Oh, yeah.
Don't tell the others.
Yeah. Billy, are you going
Confidence?
No.
No, what? Come on! Who's the driver? Oh, well.
Yeah, I can see why.
Are you ready, Atlas? You guys gonna win? I thought so.
Oh yeah.
All right, what suspension setting are you guys using?
You're in soft.
You're in soft, so these have a selectable suspension. Running the soft mode for maximum travel.
Soft mode, 4 low.
Team Sean, here we go.
Well, some fierce competition up there.
How you guys feeling? Do you have the advantage?
Yeah, we definitely got the advantage.
You might have the advantage because you know the property, but you have the baldest tires of any Blizzard.
That's all right. It just means it's gonna be more fun. We're all ready to go through the snow.
All right. You guys in 4-wheel drive?
Don't unlock my hub.
How's this team feeling about how you're going to do?
We're winners.
Atlas, are you going to win? Woo!
Outside lines, big
There.
adopted. We have the weight advantage. And experience. There's more gray hair than y'all. More gray hair than pubes. That's right. That's exactly right. We've got this.
Oh, so we're playing the sabotage game of unlocking your house. Little sabotage going up. Oh, there you go. Come on. Run. No! Oh, no! We've been caught! Son of a bitch! Uh-oh. You gotta lock ours back in. No. Lock it back up. Hey, bud.
Are you ready? Lock your horn one time. Lock. Go!
We're off!
Sean unlocked your hubs. Oh, I forgot. Here we go. All right, we unlocked Sean's hubs. We'll see how he does. Even though he's got the turbo, he needed, he needed a handicap. There it is. What's this? Oh! Oh! No, DJ! All right, boys.
We're away.
Oh my god!
Brother.
Wait, we gotta look for the presents.
I know what road it's gonna be on.
We're booing now. We're at almost 30 kilometers an hour. Woo!
Come on, good buddy. Let her go. All right, keep your eyes peeled on the road. There you go. There's no tracks, Jared. Yeah. This is a road up here. The cabin is up here.
There's a cabin?
Yeah, there's no tracks. Yeah, you might have to.
Sean, turn around! Turn around, Sean! Turn around, Sean!
Is it?
I don't see it.
Is it? I don't know, dude.
What, where?
No, I said don't see it's not. There's no tracks. They didn't walk out this far. No way. The tracks go this way, though. Yeah, left. Take a left. Fuck a left. Hold the e-brake. Oh, God, it's gonna stall it.
Oh, Lord. We're gonna die.
Back up. Yeah. Alright, together we can stall. Oh, we're stuck, baby. Back up a little bit and get in the groove. Straighten up. I think we're probably okay right there, just to get a little. There you go. Keep it going. These tires are not adequate. No, what if I can grab some? There you go. Here you go. Yeah, get in the groove. You getting it? Here, I'll start bouncing.
Let's go,
No way.
Go!
Yo, is my front tire working, spinning?
Nope.
Dude, I'm in two wheel. Let me check.
Not locked hubs.
Oh no!
There we go. Now we're moving. We got 4-wheel drive.
Oh, I bet you there's
Video in short clips.
right on us. Oh!
All right. Gotta keep an eye out for the gifts. Whoa! Into the sage. Now, boys.
Where did he hide these? How much further property do we have? Quite a bit.
Okay, good.
Oh.
There we go.
I bet there's one behind these rocks.
Oh. Oh.
There's gotta be one up here somewhere.
Yeah, but there's no fresh track.
There's one.
Oh, there's one. Oh!
Present number 2! Let me see that present!
Alright, we got a mob! We got a present! We can do it. I feel it in my nuggets. Alright, where's the present?
Not this far.
my hub. I was in two-wheel drive. Oh, he's running! He's running! Nice! Here goes, man!
Sean.
Keep an eye out for presents, everyone. As we head into the sunset for the first present. Expert driving.
Oh, they're over there.
You see presents? Yep, we got him. All right. I'm gonna turn around. You go jump present. Woohoo! Get that present. See it over there by the gate? You want to get it?
Oh, back down the hill! Oh! There's so much headroom in this vehicle! Alright, boys! Yeah! Woo-hoo! It's the little thing that could! Oh! Let's see if we can bring us back! Oh, God! Alright, the home stretch. We gotta beat him to the cutoff! Oh, we're in third! We are grooving now! Can't beat the view. Whoa! Got the present in the back.
The present is in the back. Present secured per se. Okay. I said the same.
One small problem with the winners here. Our camera won't focus correctly, and the people in front of us have a present.
Could be a last.
We're gonna have to figure out a way to disqualify them or pass them.
All right, so quick update. We think we're the first ones back. Everybody else went that way and up the hill. Haven't seen anyone so far. Yes!
Sean, turn right. There you go. Now.
All right, we're coming into the home stretch. I think we've got them. timing lights, and we've done it, boys!
First place team, how do we feel?
Let's go!
Got the present? Yeah!
I still got the bucket.
You do have the present, thank goodness.
I think maybe
Oh, everybody.
Yeah, boys!
Well, we're not last.
This is an awfully nice gift. Oh, look who decided to arrive. The Woos.
Blizzard loser.
Last place.
Someone got the L.
All right, guys, open it, buddy.
Your first
Open that present. Get him started.
I don't know.
inside the unlock one of his house. We all did a hub check, and then after we all did the hub check, we all did a hub check.
And I talked about, wait a minute, so the Turbo Blizzard, the fastest one theoretically with the most horsepower and torque. What place again?
How many people pushing it now? Too much power. It's too
Oh, Atlas, what'd you get? All right, open them up. Fireworks.
This is what winning looks like.
What, Keegan?
Cheers, last piece. Cheers.